The Blue Grotto, located on Malta's southern coast near Wade Zurich, is among the island's most spectacular natural attractions. The name, Blue Grotto, vividly describes the striking blue hues of its waters. Surrounding the Blue Grotto, the cliffs provide excellent viewpoints for those who prefer staying on land. These vantage points offer panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea, perfect for capturing unforgettable photos. The area attracts snorkelers and divers, drawn by the vibrant marine life and fascinating underwater landscapes. The clear water here offers excellent visibility, allowing visitors to see colorful fish, corals, and sometimes an octopus. Exploring the Blue Grotto by boat is often the best way to fully appreciate its natural beauty. As you glide through the serene waters, sunlight penetrates the crystal clear sea, illuminating the underwater flora and fauna and creating an ethereal blue glow within the caves. This otherworldly experience suits both adventure seekers and those seeking tranquility. The unique geology of the caves, with their impressive arches and caverns, offers a stunning backdrop for underwater exploration. The Blue Grotto is not only a natural marvel, but also a testament to Malta's rich geological and maritime history. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th, the Blue Grotto always impresses with its breathtaking beauty and serene ambience. Subscribe to Culture Explorer to see the latest videos.